Up here on Grand Lake, the sun's going down with my brother-in-law. We're out here in his new boat fishing. Lots of people out for the 4th of July. 4th of July. A lot of boat traffic on the lake today. Right across here?
Yeah, it comes right across off that.
All right. Gotcha. As long as they don't land on the boat. Right, drops off quick. Look me in the eyes. How far is the water up right now, Matt?
We're about almost 10 feet higher.
10 feet higher?
Close to 9 foot. Should be
Right?
Should be at 744.
Ah.
Right at 750.
They dropped ours down. We're back at 619. They from 638. So it helped it a bunch. But boy, it was good catfishing when it was up. Yeah, I remember last time I was over here, that tree was all the way out of the water. Yeah, I saw where they had a couple of lots right here on this side for sale for 90 grand a pop. Yeah. And but I'm like, I know that spot. You ain't got no place to get out of your boat when it's down.
Yeah. Yeah. They're building a big house. Oh, you can see it right there.
Oh yeah, I see it there. So one of them sold. Out here on the lake. Won't be long, they'll be shooting fireworks. Got one. Oh, I missed one right there. Probably got my tail. Probably a perch.
Y'all want some fireworks and dip?
What's that?
Y'all want some fireworks?
No, we're good, thank you.
It looks like he wants some.
No, I'm good.
Thanks anyway.
That's all right.
Short trip.
Huh? Had one little nibble. Ooh.
Come here, Brandy. I can see him. See, that's where that rises up right there.
Oh yeah.
You can see him right there.
Yep. Is that bait or is that just?
I don't know. Something moving around. I see that's a fish.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I can see him there.
See here?
How far out are you pointing?
That's about 18 feet.
Okay.
20 feet.
Come to him, maybe. Come to him. Yeah, they're going down right there. I see them.
I don't think that's bait.
That's a little bit bigger.
A ball.
Right. I think it's something. This up here looks like bait a little bit. But this right here looks like some.
That's just right up. So you got the graph here.
Yeah,
only
the
about 4
distance.
foot, yeah.
Gotcha.
You know, see that's right there with bait.
Right. Yeah, there's some.
Something moving around out there. Yeah. Could be perch or something too, though, you know. But
Yeah, you just never know.
that is fun.
Do you know these people?
Business doesn't know. I don't want to sit people fun anyway.
I know, it's a perfect location. It just needs a dock on that side. But over on that side, you get a lot of wind, side winds.
It's protected here.
Yeah.
You get through, you just got to be careful. Put a ton of money in.
Oh yeah, Dana and I walked down here one time a few years ago before they sold it, and we saw it, and it looked like it needed a lot of work inside.
If you point it more that way, you can see that hump right there. Whereas if you come over here,
Yeah, you see the pass through.
yeah.
Never been on a lake fishing. People shoot fireworks all around me.
I think that is probably the first one.
So it was wind. They considered it wind damage.
Wind-driven waves.
Wind-driven
If a
waves.
tornado had come through there and tore the whole thing up, or a tree had dropped on it, it would have been fine. But they consider that wind-driven waves. And that's specifically excluded in your policy.
Yeah.
Shucks. You think I didn't get my insurance agent in here?
Yeah, it makes you want to switch.
Well, they said they're all like that.
They're all are. Yeah, it's just that's their. When I
Way of getting out of it.
when I had my insurance license, they said your whole purpose is to sell insurance as an agent, and they said, but our whole purpose as the company is to deny claims.
Oh, yeah.
That's how we're profitable.
Oh, no doubt. No doubt. Stick you through the nose anyway, because it's their second home.
Mm-hmm.
Stick you anyway, it is. And then when you do need it, it's not. The doctor kind of got you by the balls. What do you do? No, I'm not going to spend that on there because I'm not going to use my doctor's here.
Right. Yeah. You gotta have it.
You got no choice. They know that. But it is there's a lot there, and I saw it over here when they said it's, they got 2 cranes and a barge, or 2 barges and a crane.
Yeah. And
It's a job.
is it 2 or 3 days work?
A couple days, yeah. It's a job to get that thing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and I mean it's not easy terrain on any of these. You getting close? Yeah, on all my rental stuff, I had one burn last year. Chicken grease fire. The guy didn't throw he didn't throw a towel over it. He threw water on it, and it just burnt that whole house to the ground. But heck, I bought the house for $9,000. I had it 10 years, making $700 a month, and they paid me $20. Took me $7 to haul it off. It was a mobile home, and I was like, golly, that's the first one I ever had burned. I had a tornado hit one down in Louisville, and that one was a big expense, but it was 100% covered.
Well, that's what they said. Or a tornado come through, or a tornado came through, or a tree dropped on it. It's covered, no problem. Wind-driven waves. I said, well, good. I'll go out there. Then I'll take a saw. I'll take the saw and I'll cut the tree down on top of it. I didn't hear that, but that would be covered like that. So you go out there and cut your own tree down and drop it on there. It's covered.
Yeah. I know they got Ronald at church. He sure was unhappy with his insurance. He's got a big house on Texoma, and he lives about just right around the corner from what's that country music singer down there that married to Gwen Stefani? Blake Shelton. Yeah, he's just right around the corner from Blake Shelton. So. Well, the sun is going down. Do what? Oh.
Brandon thought we'd find one there.
Yeah, I thought we would.
Either way, it beats sitting up there with the girls.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I've had all the shopping and gossiping I can have. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Does that Garmin have the lights on it for the boat, or is it in a different location? Your night lights, is it on the Garmin head, or I didn't know if they made them on the Garmin head or not.
What you're saying.
You know the light, the green and red light?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know if it was on the front of the Garmin head or not.
No, it's on the front of
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful out here tonight.
I see.
That, I don't know what that is, Matt. When you step down through there, it popped off something.
It popped off with some kind of.
It's a clip.
Cable connector.
I'll be able to see them. A few geese on the water. Fireworks in the background.